Hello guys, welcome to the video, and in today's video we will answer the question Hulu Live TV versus YouTube TV. Which option is the best? Let's go. Normally this would not be even a question with Hulu being greatly priced, but the recent price changes made everything so much more difficult for us. And yes, so that's why a good comparison is in order. Which one is the best? That's why we will go over different details and see which one is actually better than the other. Starting with the specs, which YouTube TV has more than 100 plus original channels, but Hulu also has 85, but Disney Plus, ESPN Plus. So yes, they are pretty equal. And prices are also similar as well. Their device support is generally similar, but YouTube TV obviously has more devices it supports because it's based on YouTube. So yes, there is a little choice there. You should always check YouTube originals, but Hulu always offers you a general consistent good channel level. As you can see with the available normal live channels and everything, they are pretty close, with some of them not happening on both sides, one of them just like Univision or History Channel just being generally in equals. But in the end, they both have 21 special channels, live channels in total. So yes, they're good. About the top 25 ones, yes, we are good on that front. We already talked about the price with you guys, but as you should know, YouTube TV is actually less expensive by $4, but which one is more valuable? We would definitely give this one out to Hulu because, as you might have guessed, ESPN Plus, Disney, and everything that's like counted in between that are actually pretty expensive. So yes, even if you have the ad supported version, this is still a great value, and their, of course, general visuals are great as well. But yes, they are equal on that front, so still by the value, Hulu is the winner by price and by channel. So yes, with everything we mentioned, we would definitely give this one out to Hulu Live TV on the only off chance of you being a sports fan. If you're a sports fan, YouTube TV is your option, but if you're a general viewer, if you just want to have fun, just have like a general better viewing experience, Hulu is the better option. Other than that, that was basically it. We hope to see you in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.